And here's good news for workers in government. A performance-based bonus will be given this Christmas. However, not all will be entitled to it. Rocky Ignacio reports.
All government offices have until end of November to submit the requirements for the implementation of the Performance-Based Bonus or PBB. In a press briefing in Malacanang, Budget and Management Secretary Florencio Abad said this is the first time that the government will implement a new incentive system to deserving government employees. Aside from the 13-month gifts and productivity enhancement incentive, the merit-based incentive system will be distributed starting January till March of 2013.
Now, with the PBB system in place, however, Juan de la Cruz will be properly rewarded for work done well. His or her performance from January to December this year will be appraised against, these are the keywords, measurable, objective, and empirical set of criteria. The PBB will then be distributed to deserving employees from January to March in 2013. Some agencies will be able to give out PBB by end of December if they've met all the requirements and targets by end November.
But Secretary Abad clarified that not all government workers will be entitled to receive the PBB. He said well-deserving employees will get their additional bonuses based on the performance of the departments or agencies. Abad noted that officers should also comply with the 4 good governance requirements under Administrative Order 25, including the mandatory disclosure of budget on website and accurate cash advances liquidations for the year. Under the PBB, a best performing employee will receive as much as 35,000 pesos. Cabinet members are excluded from the merit-based bonus.
We want to clarify though that the PBB is not an entitlement. Neither is it a holiday bonus. In other words, not all government employees will receive it. At the same time, the PBB doesn't distribute uniform amounts to everyone who performs well. For example, an employee will receive his PEI of 5,000 this year, whether or not he's doing a good job. The same is true for the 13-month bonus as well as the 5,000 peso. It's uniform and across the board. Under the PBB, however, Juan de la Cruz will receive 35,000 pesos if he is the best performer in the best ranking bureau. But if he doesn't meet the targets that have been set for him at the beginning of the year, he receives less or even nothing at all.
The budget chief reassured that the government has enough funds for the implementation of the performance-based bonus. Malacanang has allotted 9.97 billion pesos under the Miscellaneous Personal Benefits Fund. Under AO 25, the Department of Finance, DBM, Presidential Management Staff, Commission on Audit, and the Civil Service Commission will evaluate qualified employees. Abad claimed the implementation of the PBB system will reshape bureaucratic culture with a culture of excellence in the bureaucracy.
You're dealing with a bureaucracy that's standing on a very tenuous moral base because there's little fairness in the way bonuses are being distributed. Ilang empleyado na ba sa gobyerno ang nakita nyo nagtatataray o nagsusuplado? Hindi kasi sila masaya. Morale is quite low in many government offices. In other words, the current bonus regime offers few incentives to employees to work better and outperform themselves. Juan de la Cruz, your ordinary civil servant is thinking, bakit pa ako magpupursige? Si Juan tamad nga dyan nakatatanggap din ng bonus. Pareho lang kami. With the PBB system in place, however, we aim to truly shape up public service by also shaping up employee morale. How exactly does this work? When we link personal incentives to the actual performance of an employee and his delivery unit, we show government employees that good work will be properly funded, giving them a morale boost and leading the bureaucracy towards improved delivery of public services. Overall, we're expecting that the PBB to improve performance and accountability across the bureaucracy. A genuine meritocracy will drive morale higher, which will then lead to more efficient and effective service delivery.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.